Well, boys and girls, let us discuss expiration dates and whether they are useful or not. And after the intro, we'll get right into that. Well, glad you came back. What you see before you are pot hands, 2-pack. Now, this particular pair of hot hands were manufactured and given an expiration date of 2016, December of 2016. Now, these were gifted to me back in 2014, and they've been in my bug out bag ever since. But with conditions being what they are, I thought I'd bust them out. And I opened the other two because it was a 4-pack, and they are absolutely useless. Now, I'm not saying hot hands are useless. I'm saying these hot hands are useless. They have been sealed in these foil pouches. Supposedly, they're pumped full of nitrogen or something to keep them from activating. These are supposed to be all natural, odor-free, and air-activated. Well, when I opened the other two, they did nothing. They didn't even get tepid warm. So, in some cases, an expiration date really is an expiration date. Too bad we can never be sure just which products have a true expiration date and which ones do not. Fortunately, we know that most expiration dates on food are the doing of the lawyer and really don't mean a whole lot because it's itchy and twitchy, the company lawyers that set those dates to keep the company from being sued. And usually they're half the actual shelf life of the product. Well, that's all I've got for now, boys and girls. I just thought I'd share this and so you know that not everything can be discounted when it comes to expiration dates. It's still a matter of buyer beware. From Camp Smithy, peace out.
By the way, don't forget to